Yung tanong ko sa'yo kanina. Pag-usapan natin yan dahil maraming hindi maniniwala sa atin eh. Hindi po kami.
We're not fanatics.
Yes.
We're not fanatics.
And we will not basag the trips of the fanatics either.
Yes.
Pero nakakita ka na nga ba ng UFO?
Yes. I am proud to say that I have seen a UFO. An actual UFO.
At kahit tutukan ka ng barel to deny it, hindi mo i-deny.
I will not deny it because there were 5 other people who were there. 4 or 5 other people who saw the same thing, who had the same reaction, and said, "Did you see that?" And we all said, "Yes, we saw that."
But so what did you see first? Pag-usapan
So we
natin.
were, it was a group of friends of mine, and we were out in our backyard, probably smoking weed, passing it around. And of course, this is not the effect of the weed, okay? That's the first thing. Because we were all professionals, you know. We're not novices. They're like, "Whoa, dude, a UFO, man." Like, no. Nothing like that. So we're just hanging out in a circle, as you do. And through my peripheral vision here, on this side, I see probably 4 or 5 dots moving really fast. So
Finger it.
So
Hindi, ibig sabihin. Hindi. Okay, mali yung English ko, guys. Ituro mo sa daliri mo kung paano.
so so what I saw was a group of lights, because my view was the sky and then the house is here.
Okay.
So there's only up to here, right? So it comes out of the
Behind the house.
to where I can see it, like this.
Mabilis.
It goes like,
Oh, shoot.
and then it stops, and then it moves again. It's like, and this one, when you see a plane up in the sky, it moves like this,
Right.
right?
Right.
That's the plane,
And constant.
and it's constant with the flashing
Yeah,
red lights,
yeah.
right? This one was like, stop.
So it's not even a comet.
It's not a
Kasi
comet.
ang comet, mabilis.
No, it wasn't a comet.
Uh-huh.
And I've seen a comet. I saw the Neowise comet, the one last
Yeah.
week. I saw it, and it was faster than a plane, but it wasn't as fast as this. Because this is like a plane. If a plane turns, it has to make a turn
Yes.
like this. This one was like,
Angle. Oh my God.
and it's like so fast. And when I saw it, it was probably not more than 2 seconds, the whole experience. See it, and then you react, whoa! And then everyone else was like, whoa! And they're like, wow, you saw that? And then it's like, everyone's like, oh, fuck, yeah, we saw that, oh my God. And then you're like, and then it's like, you feel goosebumps, the goosebumps coming in, you're like, oh my God. It's like, it's because it's not natural, man. It's not supernatural, but it's not natural.
You cannot unthink it.
You can't
no?
unthink it, man. And the feeling is like, man, that's a bona fide UFO. Bona fide because 5 other people saw it, not just me.
Yung sa amin naman, back in 1987, we were kids. Sa 1987, sa Coastal Road, sa may papuntang Cavite City, andun kami at 2 a.m, pushing a car, kotse ni 3G Cristobal dahil nasira. So we were pushing that. Kami lang ang kotse sa Coastal Road.
Man.
It was the whole Intervoice. Walang Ira, walang Vic. 3G Jobert, JJ Jonathan, me, and my brother Louie.
Mm-hmm.
So pagod na kami, we were lying down on the hood of the car, looking at the sky,
And it's dark.
and it's very dark.
Yeah.
And then 5 lights, ganon. Ganon din. Gagalaw ng ganyan. Gagalaw ng ganon. Gagalaw ng ganyan. Gagalaw ng ganon. Tapos biglang nag-formation.
Yeah.
Pag formation ng ilaw, mga ilaw yan,
Bro, that was Voltes 5, man.
parang ganon, right? Di ba?
I'm not making fun, but dude, 5, they were 5, man. And they said like that. And then they went back
Diba?
to Camp Big
Big
Falcon.
Falcon. So,
Oh, man.
and then, syempre, kinikwento, nasiraan kami.
And all of you saw it, right?
All 6 of us saw it.
Right.
6 o'clock ng umaga na sa Wild Duck kami. Kasi yun yung dulo ng Ross
Wild
Boulevard.
Duck.
Wild Duck. Doon kami sinundo ng mga magulang namin. Nung kinikwento namin, walang naniniwala. First of all, mga bata kami.
Yeah.
Pangalawa, puyat lang daw kami. Pangatlo, baka gutom lang yan.
Wait, gutom.
So, fast forward, 1987, 97, to last year. Last year, 2019, I spoke with Jobert Buencamino.
Right.
So, 1987, then 2019.
Mm.
Sabi ko kay Jobert, Jobs, naalala mo pa ba yung nakita natin sa Coastal Road? Ito si Jobert in his bubbly self. Oh, nakakita tayo ng UFOs.
UFOs.
You know, that's all I needed to hear from Jobert.
It's like, I'm not crazy.
Di ba? Parang, okay. Kasi si JJ nakikita ko palagi, parang, Jay, totoo ba yung nakita?
Yeah.
Oo, totoo yung nakita natin.
Yeah.